Hey guys, and welcome to my unboxing of the Logitech G703 Lightspeed. So this is a wireless gaming mouse, as it says right here on the package, and on the front here we can see a nice picture of the mouse itself. On the left side we have the Logitech G logo. On this side we have some technical information. And on the back side we have the most important features, so like some information to the sensor, the Hero 16K sensor, the Lightspeed technology, and stuff like this. So yeah, let's try to open it up. Like this, open the tape right here, slide it open like this. First thing we see is this. I actually don't really know what it is. So this, I think, this is the receiver which you plug into your computer or laptop. And this, I'm actually not really sure. There's a micro USB connector on this side. Yeah, we'll have to take a closer look at what this is. Let's put this back in here. Put it away. And now let's try to get out the rest of it. And also this stuff, so the box is now completely empty, as you can see. Put it away. Now right here, first thing we see is a very big Logitech G logo sticker. Then there's just a little bit of cardboard, put that away, and then we have some documentation. Yeah, okay, not sure what this will be. This is a setup guide with pictures, as you can see right here. How to install the mouse and how to use it, and here we have just some warranty information and stuff like this. Nothing really interesting. Then we can lift off this plastic, and don't forget to take out, whoops, the metal piece right here. So this is a little 10-gram weight, which we can see. So if you want to increase the weight of the mouse, you can put this in. So then we have this cable right here. This is USB type A right here to micro USB. Sadly it's not USB-C, but yeah, it will work. And yeah, as you can see, this cable, as it is always with Logitech, or most of the time, it's sleeved, so it has a really nice texture, and I'm guessing it's about 1.5 or 2 meters long. And last but not least, we have the mouse, and as you can see, it's already a little bit dirty right here. I mean, I can't just brush it away with my finger, but yeah, I don't think it should be dirty. But yeah, this is the mouse, as you can see. We have the scroll wheel right here. It feels pretty nice. We have also the 4-way scroll wheel, plus the middle button, and the 2 mouse buttons, of course. Plus these 2 buttons for the thumb, and another button right here. I think this is to switch between DPI settings. Then on the back here we have the Logitech G logo, which will light up once we plug it into our laptop or computer. And we also have a LED inside of the scroll wheel, so we have this this line in the middle of the scroll wheel which will light up. So yeah, then on the front here we have the micro USB charging connector, or if you want to use the mouse with a wire, you can also use the cable. Then on the back side we have two big feet, sliding feet. We have the sensor right in the middle. Again, it says G703 Lightspeed. We have the on-off switch. Interesting that it is blue if it's on and red if it's off. But yeah, I'm guessing they went with the Logitech color. And then you have this round thing back here. If you press down below the G, you can take it out with the other hand. This is magnetic, as you can see, and this is where the extra weight, come on camera, focus please. Okay, it won't really focus. So this is where the extra weight will go in, and then we just take this, snap it back into place. So yeah, this is all there is to it. So we have this little thing with the receiver, the cable, and the mouse itself. Oh, and of course all of the documentation, but I don't think I need to show this again. So yeah, that was already my unboxing. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.